Kia ora and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. In today's episode, we will look at some tips for student-led learning using the Hāpara Classroom Management Suite. Student-led learning emphasizes self-directed learning, creativity, and discovery rather than rote memorization or traditional lecture-style education. Students are encouraged to take ownership of their learning by incorporating their interests into projects within defined standards or outcomes and clear expectations. Student-led learning does not mean a complete absence of structure or guidance. Educators still play an important role in providing a framework and resources for learning and ensuring learners meet learning objectives by providing continuous support and feedback to move the students' learning forward. Let's think about a science class that could be working on a project where they are learning about electrical principles. Throughout the project, students will develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills by better understanding electrical concepts through collaboration with their classmates. Learners can be grouped strategically throughout the project to support their learning needs. Educators can group the students by common interests and learning styles, or to provide enrichment and support so that learners can be successful when brainstorming ideas, conducting experiments, analyzing data, and providing evidence of their learning. The Hāpara Classroom Management Suite supports student-led learning by building self-discipline and executive functioning skills in learners. Setting up groups is a great way to encourage collaboration, organization, and differentiation. Educators can create personalized learning experiences for their learners. In highlights, groups are used to support specific learners in several ways. Guide browsing sessions are a great way to provide learners extra support as they learn to work online. Whether you want to restrict specific learners or groups to a handful of websites or keep learners from accessing a website that has become a distraction, with guide browsing, educators can ensure each of their learners has the browsing experience that will help them be the most successful. Whether educators send encouragement, a reminder to get back on task, or some helpful in-the-moment feedback, sending messages and highlights is a powerful way to quickly and discreetly support learners to encourage self-discipline and time management. The activity viewer allows educators to see learners' unique activity online. With its insight, educators can provide immediate, formative feedback while encouraging digital citizenship. The activity viewer also helps educators take a proactive approach to classroom management and to support student voice and choice. Hāpara Highlights allows educators to easily view the files in a learner's Google Drive. Leaving real-time formative feedback while learning is taking place helps learners progress academically. There are more individual growth opportunities when you give learners feedback as they learn rather than at the end of a unit or project. A student-led learning approach often involves a more interactive and rewarding learning experience. Educators provide support as needed, but encourage students to take the lead. When students take ownership of their learning by incorporating their interests within defined outcomes and clear expectations, they become stronger critical thinkers, problem solvers, and communicators. Thanks for watching.